Consider this simple tip 1 that is startlingly effective for reducing the frequency of a bad habit. An effective strategy for behavioral training is to call attention to the problem behavior whenever it appears. An additional step is to write down the times when this problem behavior occurs and then read that list at the end of the day. Walk around with a notepad and pen. At the start of the day, write the date at the top of a page. Anytime you engage in your problem behavior, don't unduly criticize yourself. Just pull out the notepad and write down the time of day and a few words summarizing the details. If you're trying to cut down on television, note the start and end time of the television watching. If you have a donut eating habit, write down the time, place, and flavor of the donut. At the end of the day, as you are about to go to sleep, read over your list of incidents. Then, turn the page and put the notepad and pen away. Many programs aimed at objectives such as smoking cessation use the notepad strategy as a baseline task. You start by noting how much you actually smoke for 1 week, and then you start the intervention, perhaps chewing nicotine replacement gum or exercising to reduce cravings. The baseline procedure itself, simply noting the incidents, often has a very strong effect all by itself. Over short spans of time, by exerting our conscious will, we can immediately, often drastically alter our behavior. That explicit control of behavior takes continual attention and a great deal of mental energy, however. As we get distracted by other concerns, the conscious control drifts away. As it does, the unconscious control takes over. Cognitive neuroscientists have identified several few reasons for the success of the notepad strategy. The most basic explanation derives directly from our knowledge about the unconscious processes that control behaviors. Since these unconscious processes are often in control of behaviors, you may not actually be aware of how often you engage in a particular habit. As you see the pages of your notebook filling up, you will tend to eliminate some of the unconscious repetitions of the behavior.